Welcome back. In the last lesson, we used internal CSS to style all the horizontal rules on one page. But imagine we have 10 pages and want them all to look the same. What happens when you need to update the color or layout? You'd have to paste your styles into each file over and over again. There's a better way, the external CSS way. External CSS is a way to style your website by writing all your CSS rules in a separate file, usually named something like style.css, and then linking that file to your HTML. It's the cleanest, most professional method for styling web pages. In your project, my website folder, I want you to create another folder inside it and name it CSS. Then, inside the CSS folder, I want you to create a new file. You'll come here to this icon, click on it, and write styles.css. Make sure the extension is .css. I want you to copy all the styles like this. I want you to copy all the style tag in index.html, and I want you to move them into styles.css. So how do you move this? I want you to cut. You do Control X to cut. Then I want you to come to this file and paste it here. Remove the style tags. I want you to remove the style tags, the opening and the closing. Delete them and save the file. Also make sure you've saved your index.html file. And now we want to link this file, this CSS file, to our HTML file. What we will do, we'll go to the index.html file, and inside your head tag, add this. You add angle bracket, then write link rel, rel equals double quotes, style sheet, then href equals double quotes. We are going to give it CSS / styles.css. What does this line mean? Rel equals style sheet in double quotes. This line tells the browser this file contains styles. Then we have href, which is equals to CSS / styles.css. It points to the file we just created, stored in a folder named CSS, and we had dealt with this when we were linking images, if you can remember. If you skipped that lesson, you'll find it in the description below. Now, click on Save, and you will see the changes happened in your browser. Now, your page should look exactly as before, but now you're using external CSS. Now, since we have our external CSS file, which is styles.css, and we have it in index.html, we still don't have it in contact page. So, how do we make it appear in the contact page and the other pages? What we need to do, we'll just copy this link, Control-C, come to contact page, and under title tag, inside the head section, we are going to Control-V, and that is paste your style, and then Control-Save. And you can see that all the body tag has already changed its color. You can do the same for about page and also for skills page, and then Control-Save. And so all the pages have the same, all the pages will have the same color. So that is how we connect our external CSS with all our pages. Let's say we want to change this background color. Let's give it color gray, and then Control-Save. You can see that it has changed its color to gray, and it is to all the pages. and that gray doesn't look nice. You can click in here and select the color that you want. I'll select a little bit, a grayish color that looks like white, like that, and then Control Save, and it has applied that color, and that one looks good. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to open your styles.css file, and I want you to add rules to style both the heading 1 and heading 3 tags. I want you to use the hex color #66BFBF. Okay? Control Save and see the changes that will happen to all your headings. If your results look fun or unique, take a screenshot, share in the WhatsApp group. Let others see what you've tried and ask questions if it did not work. What if something is not working? Why is that style not showing up? In the next lesson, we dive into debugging CSS, fixing broken styles like a pro. You're going to learn how to inspect elements, understand browser overrides, and fix CSS that just won't work. For that and more, I'll see you in the next lesson.